Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Beautiful low mileage, Firenze red, Land Rover call it, Jaguar call it, Italian racing red, it's the same colour. Firenze red metallic. It's a Freelander 2.2 TD4 HSE automatic four-wheel drive. Okay, 31,000 miles. Two owners, but husband and wife from the same family. So one family owner from new, had the cam belt done at 31,000 miles, got 3 services in total. Beautiful, beautiful car, £16,995. MOT till July 2026, comes with 2 keys. So really, one family owner, super low mileage, got some service history, had the cam belt done, matching Pirelli Scorpion tyres all round. The front one's more modern than the rear ones, but they're all Pirelli Scorpions. Full size alloy wheel with a brand new Pirelli Scorpion tyre on. Heated leather multifunction steering wheel. Usual other HSE bits and pieces. So sat nav, DAB radio, Bluetooth, black leather, heated electric seats, twin glass sunroofs. So front armrests on the seats. So lovely spec, low mileage, fantastic pedigree, front and rear park sensors, daytime running lights, front fog lamps, headlamp washers. HSE, so you'll have folding electric heated wing mirrors, fitted carpet mats, electric seats, black leather, twin sunroofs, front one tilts and slides, multifunction leather steering wheel with cruise, and this is heated. Air conditioning and climate control is on now. It is freezing. Comes with 2 lovely remote keys. Obviously manual, 6-speed diesel. Drives like a brand new car. Fitted mats in the back there. Parcel, or we call it a load cover. Load cover's in there. It's a hatchback, obviously. Load cover is in there. Boot, lovely and clean. There is the aluminium space saver spare wheel, which was an optional extra with its brand new Pirelli Scorpion tyre. Jacks in there, wheel brace toolkit, alloy wheel locking key, all present and correct. This side, again, unmarked alloy wheels, Pirelli Scorpion tyres, albeit they are the slightly more off-roady originals on the back. Newer style Pirelli Scorpions on the front, not stone chipped or knocked about at all. Lovely low mileage car, ready to go. Electric mirrors, all folding mirrors, Meridian Hi-Fi, memory leather seat for the driver with electronic lumbar support, leather multifunction steering wheel, got the extra button there next to the phone controls for the heated steering wheel, satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth, got the front armrests on the 2 front seats. Beautiful thing, drives like new, freezing cold air conditioning, MOT till July next year. Once for nothing, ready to go. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other cars in stock. Probably got more Freelanders than this one. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. Lots of Freelanders. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you would get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock, and you would be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.